Hello and welcome back to our Doing Business in Nigeria video series. In today's episode, we'll walk you through a vital process to anyone looking to do business in Nigeria: opening a business bank account, which is a prerequisite to carrying out business operations in the country. The Central Bank of Nigeria opines that there are over 900 banks currently operating in the country, comprising of commercial banks, non-interest banks, microfinance banks, and payment service banks. There's a lot to pick from. However, I'm not here to give recommendations, but there are a few things to consider for your choice, which may include reputation of the bank, services they offer, their fees, and availability of branches in your area. Foreign individuals and companies are encouraged to open bank accounts in Nigeria, as it is a major requirement for doing business in the country. To open a bank account, you must meet certain requirements. 1. You must be a resident of the country, supported by a residence permit and evidence of physical address in Nigeria. 2. All account holders, including foreigners, must obtain a bank verification number. You can enroll for a bank verification number by visiting a Nigerian bank or a licensed enrollment center close to you if you're not in the country. Required documents for foreign companies to open a bank account in Nigeria include certified memorandum and articles of association, 2. Corporate Affairs Commission certificate, company seal, company tax identification number, and more as shown on your screen. With this, you can walk into any bank of your choice and request an account opening form. Ensure to fill out the form as correctly as you can, and your account will be set up in no time. Anti-money laundering is a critical component of financial regulation, and in Nigeria, the Money Laundering Prevention Prohibition Act provides a comprehensive legal and institutional framework for preventing and prohibiting money laundering in Nigeria. The Act also established the Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering, also known as SCUMO, under the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). The agency is charged with the responsibility of solely monitoring, supervising, and regulating the activities of designated non-financial institutions and professions. Certain businesses and professions, as listed on your screen, are required to register with SCUMO. This registration is necessary to ensure that these entities have anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financial measures in place. The Act also empowers SCUMO to impose penalties or suspend any license issued to a designated non-financial business or profession for failure to comply with obligations to establish internal procedures and controls. With that, we call it a wrap on today's episode, and we hope you found this information valuable. To learn more about SCUMO or get help setting up your business bank account, or if you have any questions in general about our services, you can send us an email at info@strana.com. Thank you very much.